guys, it is Mr. Crypto Man. Today I want to take a look at a couple different charts. As I stated before, a lot of these altcoins are getting ready to go. I started my YouTube channel about a week or so ago, and since then, several of them have already exploded and did their first wave. It's a shame I didn't start my trading channel when I first came back, because we'd already had a bunch of money made. But today we're going to look at Ethereum BTC. This is not Ethereum USD, it's the BTC. I want to show you guys something. This is a technical analysis that we use in this when we read charts and determine if we're getting ready to jump into a coin or not. This is the 100-day moving average. This is the 50. When the 100-day crisscrosses the 50 and the 50 comes above the 100-day, it's what they call a golden cross. A golden cross usually always ends up with a parabolic move right after the crisscross. When the 50-day crosses back over the 100, this is called a death cross, and it usually leads to a dump. Okay, you see the golden cross here, you see the parabolic move. Same thing back here, you see the death cross here, the dump. You see this is the golden cross, this is the death cross. You see how that works? We got the death cross again here. And what do we got here? We got a golden cross. So this just might be something you might want to look at. Just saying. Let's look at Litecoin. Litecoin is the first coin that I suggested on my trading channel. This is a long-term hold. Potential long-term. What I mean by that is more than just a couple days. Again, if we take a look at Litecoin, this here is a golden cross. This is a parabolic move. This is a death cross. This is a dump. This is a golden cross, parabolic move, death cross, dump. And when we look here, we have a golden cross. So, in my opinion, Litecoin's getting ready to do something, some type of parabolic move here. So Litecoin as well is a sort of long-term hold. I'll let you guys know when it's hit the top, whoever's in my trading channel. And you guys will have gotten in at the bottom and out at the top. That's how you invest. Unfortunately, human beings, due to market psychology, we have figured out human beings don't invest like they shop for food and clothes. When they shop for food and clothes, they look for the best deal possible. Unfortunately, when they invest, they start getting into stocks and coins after the parabolic move, and that's why so many people lose money in the stock market or in the Forex or in cryptos, because they just don't get it. And this is why right now there's not anybody watching these videos. Nobody's paying attention to cryptocurrencies right now, because we're likely towards the bottom of these charts. But all that's going to change here soon. So pay attention. We're definitely getting ready to have some good movement, and I definitely plan on capitalizing on all of it. So Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum BTC are really good picks. And real quick, I'll just let you guys know some of the other picks that I made when I first came back. Unfortunately, I didn't have my trading channel up. I told you guys Steam was getting ready to take off. Steam took off like 2 days after I said it. It went ahead. I told you guys maybe a week ago, somewhere in here, Steam took off. So we're going to be trading Steam as soon as it starts coming back down. I'm not going to have anybody get in it at the top of a run. Okay, I'm not that stupid. We're trying to only be in coins right before they explode. Tron, I called the very tip top of Tron, and then I called the top of Tron's rebound wave. This is a second rebound wave. This is likely still the top. I do not think Tron is going to go any higher than this. I think it's going to start coming down and starting its pullback waves. I could be wrong. Anyway, I'd still trade on that, and then I'd pay attention to where it gets moving. But this chart here is usually what Tron does. and it usually pulls back. So that's just my opinion on Tron. ADA. Now this coin here, I suggested we get in. I figured it was going to take off, but then once I seen it was losing steam, I went on Twitter and said we should probably dump this coin, and then it started coming back down. For whatever reason, it just wasn't ready. I do expect to get back in once it pulls back a little further, and we're going to trade this coin as well. Now, there's a lot of these coins that we're going to be trading. If you're part of my trading channel, you're going to get the pick up to the minute. You're going to know when right to get in. So if you want to sign up, go to the description of this video. Waves, I let you guys know Waves was at the top of one of its correction waves. Yeah, Waves is still a sell signal. You got the 50-day coming over the chart. That's not a good sign. You need to get out of Waves if you're in Waves. I wouldn't have anybody get in Bitcoin Cash right now. That's just way too risky. I usually don't trade coins that don't have a lot of volume behind it. A lot of these are pump and dump coins. I'm not too familiar with monetary unit. However, we will be trading this coin in the coming weeks, at least maybe with just a small amount of Bitcoin, because there's potential for huge gains on these type of coins. But just know, I really won't be trying to put my subscribers in any coins that I think they could end up carrying around for quite a while. And then Bitcoin, I called Bitcoin that it was going to pull back. I want to take a quick look at Bitcoin. I'll show you guys what I think Bitcoin is going to do. Now, Bitcoin is pulling back very slowly. I do expect it to still come down here and maybe find support at around 3,200, but probably not for long. We'll determine if Bitcoin is going to find support here or not. I do know that the 100-day and the 50-day, that's still, first of all, the 50-day is coming over the chart. That would suggest it's getting ready to dump. And the 100-day is still pretty far off. The 200-day is even farther off. But the way these are looking, There it is. Let's take a quick look at it. Yeah, so Btc goes like right at the bottom. So this might be something that we pay attention to. Let's take a look here. Yeah. Pay attention to Btc. This is actually a good coin. Last time I heard McDonald's was interested in it, but that was years ago. So that's about all I got for you guys today. I just wanted to give a quick update. Let everybody know that there's going to be some good coins to make some money on here coming up. And just pay attention to Bitcoin. We need to see how much support is at that $3,200 area. I do expect it to dip under that. I could be wrong, but I do expect it to get underneath $3,200. But it'll likely spend a couple days there once it pulls back. But we're just going to take these opportunities to make money. So Litecoin and Ethereum, I do expect those coins to go here soon. Litecoin really soon. Within the next day or so, it should start its movement up. So that's about it. Stay tuned. If you guys want to join the trading channel, look in the description of the video. All right, guys.